guys. Yep, we got a lot of stuff going on right here. So we came over to we have our fifth wheel in storage. We don't have like a storage full of crap, but we kind of do in a way because we have our fifth wheel in storage. And we have been sleeping terribly. The Airstream, we had to purchase a brand new mattress, which was a full-size bed. We've conveniently have gone down from king, queen, down full. Yeah, we cannot do full. Not happening.
Not anymore.
Like, we're just, I don't know. I've had a pinched nerve in my neck. Like, this week, I don't know.
Tight.
Oh, he's tight. He's 6 feet tall, so it's just not easy, you know. In the Airstream, we only have, like, the bed is off to one side, and so he crawls over me to get out of bed. One of us would have to crawl over each other to get out of bed, whatever. Anyway, so we have decided to remodel the bedroom a little bit. We don't really feel like we need a walkway per se in the bedroom because we're just sleeping in there anyway. We need a good night's rest. So,
well, there is one.
What? In the bedroom? It's PG.
Movie quote.
You got me. I had to think about it.
What?
I was like, well, no, I had to think about what you said in my head because you're like, it's a movie quote, and I was like, wait, what? What other thing? Anyway, that made me lose my train of thought. He's being a naughty boy over here. We'll have to cut a lot of stuff out of this one. Anyway, so ideally what we're going to do is he's going to build up a platform that meets the current bed platform and the dresser that's on the other side. We're just going to nix the dresser. It's only got like a little bit of stuff in it anyway. Ooh, that was something I could have got at Walmart, but that's okay. We'll figure it out. Storage containers. I don't like to go to the store more than I have to.
Especially here.
Oh, especially here. Yeah, we went to Cookville.
2/3 of the all good.
Well,
yeah. 2/3 of the parking lot was full of cars.
Yeah, he said there were so many people in there. He hadn't seen that many people in one spot in months.
Yeah, months.
Yeah. Anyway, so we're gonna build up the platform though, and then put our queen mattress from the fifth wheel, which is what we just got. It's in the back of the truck, along with some other stuff that we have found out that we would like to have, as well as packages and mail and whatnot that have been sent to our home base address. So we're on our way back to where we're staying, over in Smyrna now. Want to say anything else?
Keep practicing social distancing. That will work.
Yeah, I mean, you know, so yes, we have still been traveling. We're still working, but we also practice social distancing as much as possible, as well as sanitizing. And what I mean by that is, A, we're only on the roof of an RV or in the basement of an RV, typically. There are a couple of things that you have to do inside the RV. So when my boat has to go inside an RV, they're distancing themselves as well as cleaning, you know, behind anywhere he may have been, you know, is being cleaned and sanitized. So it's just precautionary, and that's what needs to happen. So we're thankful and we're blessed that we're still working, but we still have to take those precautions, and so do you guys. You know, it's not. We're seeing a lot more states starting to open back up, which is great for business. I think that's amazing. Honestly, I can't wait to go. I'm not a shopper by any means. I do not like to go shopping, right? Really.
Yeah.
I'm a weird woman. But I am dying. It's a good thing, because he's a shopper.
Yeah.
But I'm dying to go shopping. Like, I just want to go into a TJ Maxx and just look. And that's funny. Horrible, because I'm not going to do it.
You're going to get in there and be like, same stuff.
No, I'm gonna buy stuff for the Airstream. I'm excited.
Oh.
That's another reason I think that I'm
Yeah.
excited about it because
Oh yeah, we bought this thing and then it's like, you know,
yeah, we went into quarantine
went
basically.
into quarantine.
Yeah.
Now we can't outfit it the way that we really need to with, you know.
Exactly, and I can't wait for Amazon to get back on track with their stuff because holy cow, like we
Yeah.
live on Amazon.
This is stock of equipment that's supposed to arrive June 2nd.
Well, no, it was June 1st through June 22nd. It still says that.
Oh wow, really?
Yeah,
Okay, so it arrived sometime within the last 3 or 4 days.
yeah.
Don't get it.
Which is okay by us, but there are things that we need. We do a lot of our inventory and things that he uses on the back end of things
Your battery's running low.
in a system. Like, how much do I have on anything?
Maybe a minute.
Okay, so we're gonna wrap this. But basically, what I'm trying to say is, you know, he's trying to get a lot of stuff in inventory so that we can actually do the installs. Amazon is all over the map as to where and when these things are going to arrive, and so I kind of can't wait because I know that they might not be considered essential, but they're essential to us. And so, anyway, so that's one of the hard things about this business. So we're trying to be as patient as we can about that. But anyways, stay safe, guys, and we just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update about where we are, what we're doing. We're still doing installs. We're still booked out through the summer. Well, sort of. We do have some availability that has come available, and plans are changing daily, it seems like, but we, you know, it's still good.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, still good.
Yeah. So thanks for your support, and thanks for checking us out. Be sure to subscribe.
Oh, smash the like button, click the little ding bell, ringy thingy so you know whenever we post new videos.
See you guys later. Stuff that you're gonna turn right. Well, I don't know where this road goes, but I can follow it.
Nope. Also, we can't stop super quick because of all the stuff we got.
Alright, so let's try that again.
No, we're not hauling. This is just how we roll.
Or
Oh, it's foggy again. And it's perfect.
windshield. I was gonna say the windshield wiper blades are also very low. This might be an irrelevant video.